Nature is our greatest treasure. It offers peace and tranquility, a sanctuary for the weary soul. In its gentle embrace, we find solace and rejuvenation. Nature's beauty heals the soul, providing a refuge from the chaos of daily life. The natural world is a sanctuary, a place of wonder and discovery. It welcomes us with open arms, inviting us to explore its mysteries. When life's troubles weigh us down, nature uplifts us, offering a serene escape. Let us cherish and protect its wonders. Majestic mountains. Imagine towering peaks, snow-capped and grand. These mountains stand as silent sentinels, watching over the land below. Their sheer size and majesty are humbling, a testament to the power of nature. The air is crisp and clean, filling your lungs with a refreshing chill that invigorates your spirit. A sense of awe washes over you as you stand in the presence of these natural giants, feeling both small and inspired. Tranquil forests. Sunlight filters through the leaves, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. Ancient trees stand tall, their branches reaching skyward, creating a canopy of green. Birds sing their sweet melodies, their songs a gentle reminder of the life that thrives in this serene sanctuary. A symphony of nature unfolds, with the rustling of leaves, the chirping of insects, and the distant call of wildlife. Serene oceans. Waves crash gently on the shore, their rhythmic motion a soothing lullaby. The salty air invigorates, filling you with a sense of vitality. The vastness of the sea inspires, its endless horizon a reminder of the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. A feeling of peace descends as you listen to the gentle lapping of the waves and feel the soft sand beneath your feet. Rolling hills, lush green meadows stretch endlessly, a sea of green dotted with vibrant wildflowers. The hills roll gently, inviting you to wander and explore. A gentle breeze whispers through the grass, carrying with it the sweet scent of blooming flowers. A sense of freedom prevails as you roam these open fields, feeling the vast expanse of nature around you. Sparkling lakes, crystal clear water reflects the sky, creating a mirror image of the heavens above. Fish leap and dance in the water, their movements graceful and fluid. Water lilies float gracefully, their delicate petals a contrast to the stillness of the lake. A sense of serenity envelops you as you sit by the water's edge, watching the gentle ripples and feeling the calmness of the scene. Flowing rivers. The water rushes and tumbles over rocks, its movement a constant, lively presence. The river carves its path through the land, shaping the landscape as it goes. The sound is mesmerizing, a natural symphony that soothes and energizes. The river's journey is a testament to the power and persistence of nature. A feeling of energy flows as you watch the water's relentless progress, feeling its vitality and strength. Waterfalls. Water cascades down rocky cliffs, creating a thunderous roar that fills the air. The sight is both powerful and mesmerizing. A display of nature's power. The waterfall is a reminder of the raw, untamed force of the natural world. A sense of wonder fills the air as you stand in awe of this magnificent display. Deserts, vast and unforgiving, yet strangely beautiful. The silence is profound, a stark contrast to the bustling world outside. A sense of solitude prevails as you wander through the endless expanse of sand and rock. Caves hidden beneath the earth, these natural formations are a world of darkness and mystery. Strange and wonderful formations greet you at every turn. A world of darkness and mystery, where the unknown beckons and adventure awaits. A sense of adventure awaits as you explore the hidden depths and marvel at the wonders within. Starry night sky, a blanket of twinkling stars stretches across the night sky, a breathtaking display of the universe's vastness. The vastness of the universe is humbling, a reminder of our place in the grand scheme of things. A sense of awe and insignificance fills you as you gaze up at the stars, feeling connected to the cosmos and the endless possibilities it holds. Imagine these scenes, now add calming music, gentle melodies. Nature's sounds blend seamlessly, the experience is amplified. Music adds another dimension, it deepens the relaxation. Nature and music, a perfect harmony, a sanctuary for the soul. We must cherish these natural wonders. They are essential for our well-being and the health of our planet. Let us protect and preserve them for future generations. Spend time in nature, embrace its beauty, and find peace and tranquility. Nature is our refuge, a sanctuary from the chaos of daily life. Let its wonders rejuvenate you, inspire you, and remind you of the simple joys of life.